Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the modeling styles in VHDL. In the earlier session we have seen that any digital system consists of two parts, that is nothing but the entity and the architecture. While we have defined entity as a function, then architecture is the proper description of that function, that is nothing but the elaboration how the function works, that is described in the architecture part. So mainly VHDL programming is nothing but two parts, entity and architecture. Entity declaration we have already seen. Okay, in the architecture part there are three parts which are also called as modeling styles in VHDL. There are three modeling styles: data flow modeling, behavioral modeling and structural modeling. So we will see all these three modeling styles and how the entity is declared and how the proper description is there in each modeling style we are going to see in this presentation. So generally we will take an example, and for this example we will solve all the three types of modeling and we will write down the code for VHDL in all the three modeling styles. So example I am considering here is of full adder. So I implemented a full adder here. This full adder is implemented with the help of two half adders. Okay, two half adders are there, half adder 1, half adder 2. Inputs A, B and C in, that is nothing but the carry input from the previous addition of A0 and B0th bit. There will be C of n minus 1. If you are doing the nth operation, that is nothing but AN, BN, then the C will be C n minus 1, like that. Okay, so how the addition is performed of the half adder, we all know that A and B bits are added first, it will give a sum and a carry is generated, C1, the name is C1 here. The carry which is taken along with the parallel with the half adder 2, and half adder 2 is nothing but the total sum of AB plus the carry input. If any carry is present from the previous addition, then it will be added to it and we'll get the final sum and the final output carry, that is C out. And this C out or the final carry C will be the combination of OR gate between C1 and C2. Means what? It may be the carry generated from the first addition half adder 1, or it may be carry generated from the second, that is nothing but the C2. Either of the it is possible. We have also seen the truth table for full adder. A, B, C are the inputs, whereas sum and C out, these are the outputs for the full adder. If you will solve the K map for sum and C out, you will get the expression as sum is equal to A XOR with B XOR with C, and carry is nothing but the SOAP format, that is nothing but sum of products, product term AB, AC and BC, and there is a sum between them. Now we need to implement this in the VHDL modeling style. So very first modeling style what I have here is the structural modeling, and the entire program is written, code is written here in the VHDL language. We will see one by one. Okay,